In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace your battery on your Subaru Forester. It's located under the hood. Take your negative battery terminal off. Take your positive terminal off. Now we're going to take our battery out with a 10 millimeter. Next, you want to take the casing off, if it helps you get a grip on it. For me, it will. There's no handle on this battery. At this point, you can look and see if your tray is dirty. Wash that off. Now we're going to put our battery in. You do want to make sure your terminals are out of the way. Batteries are not light. I usually just put it under something. All right, wiggle the battery around, make sure it's stable. Now we're going to put our protective casing around it. I'm going to feed that down and hook it into the bracket. All right, so in order to get the hole down to stay still while you're ratcheting it down, you want to pull up on the bracket until it meets the nut, so it stays in the hole in the bracket. And you can start tightening it down. All right, now that we have that ready, we can go on the other side. Put our hook back in, feed that through, start the nut. All right, so now we're going to put the battery terminal on, positive first. Snug them up until you can't turn them. If your vehicle came with a cover, make sure you put that on. And now we are going to place our negative terminal back on the battery. Push it down, snug it up. And once that's snugged up, make sure that this is back on the stud that it came off of.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.